Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Coupe. Presented in Astral Blue, the vehicle of course also features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit and a brand new set of the 19-inch variant of the 405M style alloy wheels. It's a 2013 63 plate, it has the Angel Iron xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car has been very nicely presented. You'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals. Also comes with some nice BMW options. On the outside you get the sun protection glazing, and we'll show you down the side a little bit more. As you can see that everything working nicely with that Astral Blue alongside being very clean and tidy. Interior, we've got black Dakota leather with both the electric lumbar and heated seat options. Once more, is all clean and tidy. Also has Harman Kardon surround sound. The car has the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, Isofix rear bench with central folding armrest, and of course comes with the M Sport dark headlining. Moving on and around to the back of the car, you can of course see again those brand new alloys looking really nicely set against the 4 Series we have here for you. We opted to go for a high gloss rear spoiler and the satin diffuser on this car. And if you've not yet seen in the boot space for the 4 Series Coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as that has a nice size area and also has split folding seats to help you out with longer, larger items. Round at the driver's side, once more, you can see how well the Astral Blue works with all of the additions we've made. All clean and tidy this side, and we shall head through, take a seat inside, and I'll just start the car up and run you through the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting with that professional wide navigation and media screen. On this screen, you can see there we've got satellite navigation, we've got Bluetooth telephone and audio, along with our DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs, such as music collection. External devices will cover you for your USB and AUX inputs. Down at vehicle information, we'll check out the service requirements and service history in just 1 second. Dual climate control with switches for our heated seats. Believe it or not, this vehicle's covered just over 90,000 miles. However, hopefully throughout this video you've seen it is a very clean and tidy example. And now going into the service requirement screen, everything is highlighted in green. And we'll go into service history and begin. Yep, we're already there at the bottom. Going all the way up to the top, you can see there just how extensive the service history is on this car. And the last service was at 75751, and that was for a full service, including all of the filters, which is of course great peace of mind when looking to purchase a car. And of course the next service will just be a very basic oil and oil filter change. Once again, thanks for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos, and of course this one being the 420D M Sport in Astral Blue. If you do want to get in touch, of course you'll find all of the contact information along with links to our website down below in the description, and we'll look forward to seeing yourselves very soon. Take care, thank you, and bye bye.